legal advice and raising legal awareness. And this initiative has helped to increase knowledge among the population about their rights, especially for women who are vulnerable and live in rural and remote areas. They have been able to understand their rights, perhaps to a life free from violence, to understand about their family rights, and to be able to seek legal redress in areas where they have a problem. It has also helped families and communities to deal with land rights issues, which is a common problem. And it has brought government and communities and families closer together. So this is much more than 2 buses. And I'm so proud that we have been able to extend and continue this partnership.
Хочу поблагодарить всю вашу команду, других партнеров, которых вы упомянули. Это фонд миростроительства, МИД Финляндии. Благодаря усилиям всех наших партнеров нам удалось сегодня уже присутствовать, радовать свой глаз такими прекрасными автобусами. Количество клиентов этого проекта уже исчислялось десятками тысяч.